Students, let's start math subject. Last lecture we studied measuring the angles and how to draw the angles using the protractor. Okay, here these are the types of angle. Okay, what is this? Types of angles. Look here. Now types of angles: right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. This is a right angle. What is the name of this angle? That is angle ABC or angle CBA. We can write the name of the angle two types. Okay, one type is ABC and CBA. Here B is a vertex, common vertex, and BA and BC are the arms of this angle. Okay, what you studied this one yesterday. Okay, angle ABC is a right angle. Okay, what is the right angle? Angle of measuring 90 degree are called the right angle. Angle of measure 90. This is the 90 degree. This angle is called the right angle. You must write this in your notebooks and write down this full information and learn it. Okay, now what is the acute angle? What is the acute angle? Acute angle means, here what is the name of this acute angle? That is RST or TSR. Here S is a vertex, common, and ST and SR are the arms of this acute angle. Okay, this angle RST measure less than 90 डिग्री. ये जो एंगल है वो 90 डिग्री से कम है. 90 रहेगा तो ऐसे रहेगा, याद है, दिस इज 90 डिग्री. बट दिस एंगल RST इज अ लेस देन 90 डिग्री, है ना. दैट इज लेस देन राइट एंगल. ओके, लेस देन 90 डिग्री मतलब लेस देन राइट एंगल. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज द एक्यूट एंगल? An angle which measure less than right angle is called an acute angle. What is the acute angle? Less than right angle. Okay, that means angle REST is a acute angle. Understand? Next is a obtuse angle. What is the obtuse angle? Here LMN or angle NML is a obtuse angle. Why we say this is a obtuse angle? Because angle LMN measure more than 90 डिग्री. देखो here यहाँ तक 90 डिग्री आता है, बट दिस एंगल इज मोर देन 90 डिग्री. ओके, दैट इज मोर देन राइट एंगल, मतलब राइट एंगल से बड़ा है. दैट्स वाई एन एंगल विच मेजर मोर देन राइट एंगल इज कॉल्ड द ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. दैट मीन्स एंगल LMN इज अ ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. ओके, दिस ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम्स. First write down the types of angle, then draw the diagram. First write right angle, then draw a diagram and write this information below that. Okay, like this, complete this one also. Here another activity, what is the parallel and the perpendicular line? Okay, what is the parallel and perpendicular line? So parallel line means what? Look here, there are two pictures are given. What is parallel line? The bar on the window, look here, this is the window. The bar on the window in the picture are parallel to each other, and the steps on the ladder in this picture are also parallel. The vertical legs of ladder are parallel to each other, vertical legs, look here, these legs, vertical legs also parallel to each other, and this ladders is also parallel. What is the parallel means? That means parallel means, look here, these lines are parallel. The line traced with the pencil are parallel to each other. Look here, when you folding the lines, these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, the lines shown alongside are not of equal length. Look here, here are two lines are given here. These two lines are not equal in length. This line is short and this is the long line. Yet they are parallel to each other. लेकिन फिर भी वो क्या है? Parallel to each other. Okay, what is this means? When you draw this line, अगर ये आप लाइन ऐसे आगे बढ़ाएंगे, ओके, दिस वन ऑल्सो, सो दे डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट. इंटरसेक्ट मतलब एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं करती है. सो व्हाट इज द पैरेलल लाइन? पैरेलल लाइन्स डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट, दैट इज दे डू नॉट कट ईच अदर, नॉट मैटर. no matter how far they are extended on either side. Okay, look here, I am giving you here example. Look, these lines are notebook lines. These lines are parallel to each other. अब ये लाइन कितना भी बड़ी, कितना भी आप खींचते जाओ, हाँ, दे डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट. इंटरसेक्ट मीन्स व्हाट? लुक हियर, समझो, दिस इज वन लाइन and this is another line. Okay, when you, how far they are extended, extend this line. Okay, and this line also extend karo. What happened? These two lines are intersect here, है ना? Okay, these two lines are intersected here, the line L and line M. These two lines are intersect. These two lines are, line L and M are intersect here. Intersect मतलब एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कर रही है. Okay, so these lines are not parallel. Okay, and look here, these lines, line these and these, they are extended on other side. दोनों साइड में अगर आप इसको extend करेंगे, so they do not intersect each other. These lines are called parallel. These lines are not parallel. समझे? These lines are called parallel lines. Okay, look here. Take a ruler and show me here using a pencil and draw lines alongside of a ruler. Put the ruler aside. The lines are parallel to each other. Look, these lines are parallel. Okay, so in this way your notebook's lines are also parallel line. And perpendicular means what? What is a perpendicular line? We have seen many objects standing straight on the ground. These objects form a right angle with their shadow. Look here, this picture is given here. This is the object standing straight on the ground, and this object form a right angle to its shadow. This is shadow, है ना? ये object की ये shadow है, तो this object and the shadow of that object form here right angle. Okay, the example, the angle formed by poles and its shadow. This is the pole and this shadow. Okay, on the ground is 90 degree or right angle. Similarly, adjacent side of the wooden plugs or books also form angle of 90 degree. इधर भी देखो 90 degree है. Okay, when two lines form an angle of 90 degree with each other, they are said to be perpendicular. Okay, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Perpendicular line. Okay, हाँ, to show that two lines perpendicular, a symbol as shown, the figure drawn in between the two lines. देखो, these two lines are called perpendicular lines. Okay, this is a line and this is also line. Okay, look here, example I will give here. This line and this line, these two lines are here, but they are not perpendicular. When we say they are perpendicular lines, when two lines, when this line and this line, for example margin, देखो, look here, this margin here, this line and this line. Okay, when two lines, line this one and line this one, when these two lines form 90 degree of angle with each other, they are called perpendicular lines. Okay, understand what is the perpendicular lines? When two lines form an angle of 90 degree with each other, this line and this line, they form a perpendicular 90 degree. These lines are called perpendicular line. Measure the angle between any two adjacent sides of your notebook. Since it is right angle, the two sides are perpendicular to each other. Look here, here also example is given. What I said give here, notebook का example है. Look at this picture of the page of the notebook. The horizontal line on the papers are parallel. देखो, look here, these lines are parallel, है ना? पैरेलल मतलब जो लाइन एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करती है. दिस लाइन्स आर कॉल्ड पैरेलल लाइन्स टू ईच अदर. हेंस द वर्टिकल मार्जिन, ये देखो, ये वर्टिकल मार्जिन है ना, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो मार्जिन, बट द वर्टिकल मार्जिन लाइन ऑन द साइड फॉर्म अ राइट एंगल विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन्स, है ना. therefore it is perpendicular to horizontal line. So margin is perpendicular to the horizontal line because there it form a right angle. Look here, this is the margin, है ना. Look, the horizontal lines, these are the horizontal lines, on the paper are parallel to each other. These two lines are parallel to each other. Hence the vertical margin, this is the vertical margin, margin line on the side form a right angle. Here it form right angle. मैंने बताया आपको, ये जो लाइन है यहाँ पे कौन सा एंगल बनता है, राइट एंगल, है ना. सो लाइन फॉर्म अ राइट एंगल विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस. वर्टिकल लाइन और जो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है इनके साथ क्या होता है, यहाँ पे राइट एंगल बनता है. देयरफॉर इट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस. समझे, ऐसी जो लाइंस होती है उनको हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस बोलते हैं और ये है वर्टिकल लाइन. अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 27 and give 2 examples of parallel line you can see in your environment में आपको कहाँ parallel line दिखती है उनका example लिखना है. give 2 examples of perpendicular line you can see in your environment में perpendicular lines कहाँ दिखती है. then look at the pictures given below. look, these pictures are given here. Decide whether the lines given each picture is parallel or perpendicular to each other and write the answer in the box. For example, look here, these two lines are perpendicular, these two lines are parallel lines. okay, here perpendicular because straight line है और यहाँ पे right angle form होता है, that is these are the perpendicular line. ये देखो, ये these are parallel lines, this is also parallel lines. okay, and here perpendicular line. understand. okay, easy है, ये अच्छे से पढ़ना है, लेसन ठीक से रीड करो एंड सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 27. okay.